Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz checking in. And yeah, it's about that time of the year, man. Out here, getting in the yard, getting this pool together. You see, I drained it for, the fall and winter seasons. Well, we're not going to be out here using the pool. But yeah, take a look at it. Let me flip this camera around. Okay, so yeah, this is the first time I'm like getting the pool back together. You see how dirty it is in there and in the bottom. All right, so I made a mistake of putting rocks, these boulders, in the pool to try to like keep the pool down, because there was a point in time where we had like a wind advisory, and I had been noticing that everyone's trampolines were getting swept up in the wind and being carried, and I just didn't want the same thing to happen to the pool. So I thought it was a good idea to put these boulders that we have, going around the pool. I decided to take a few of them, put them in some Walmart bags, and put them and set them inside the pool. Well, it turns out that wasn't a good idea, because just thinking about erosion and how all that works. The bricks were starting to break down. They were starting to wear off. So that's what all that dirt at the bottom of the pool is. It's coming from these boulders because they're eroding. They're just wearing away. So what I've been doing, I've been using this tool here to kind of like try to get it up from the bottom. So I've just been like scooping it in there. Yeah, it's just like tiny pieces. And I've been doing this for like, I don't know, I've probably been out here for like 2-3 days. Just doing it whenever I can. Whenever I get some downtime or some free time, or it feels good out here, I'll just come out here and scoop up the sediment and all that. So yeah, I just flick that on out and keep on scooping it. But I was literally in Academy Sports yesterday, and I saw this pool vacuum. So I think I'm about to go get this pool vacuum so I can just go ahead and suck all that up, because this is taking forever with the little net thing. So yeah, I think I'm about to go ahead and buy this pool vacuum and clean it on out. Other than that, it's pool season. The pool's about to be ready. About to just vacuum it out, and I guess I'll fill it on. I probably won't fill it up today. I'll probably just put the cover on it once I get it vacuumed out, cleaned out, and I'll probably fill it up with water another day. Or I don't know, I might just go ahead and fill it up with water and like have the filter running and all that. But yeah, first things first, gotta go get this vacuum. All right, so I'm just now pulling up to Academy Sports. I looked up several options of the vacuum cleaners that I wanted to get. So I actually was in here the other day. All right, so I'm in Academy Sports. I know exactly where this vacuum is at, because I was just in here the other day and I saw it. That's the reason why I'm back in here. I was just in here the other day I bought some footballs for my flag football team. So yeah, that's exciting news. But yeah, let's go back here to the pool section. All right, so these are all the pool vacuum cleaners. This is the one that I came in here for, the Tesla. It almost looks like Tesla. That's what I was actually calling it at home, the Tesla, but it's Tesla. So I was looking at this one. This is the one I came in here for, but I'm also seeing this one. Both of these look like, all right, so the reason I wanted to get this one, because the other ones, you have to connect like the tube thing. Let me see, I think they had those over here. Like, yeah, you have to attach this thing to the vacuum head, and then you have to put it in the pool suction thing. But yeah, it just seemed a little bit complicated. This one just looks like you turn it on, put it in the water, and yeah, it does it itself. You don't have to worry about the suction of the hose or anything like that. But yeah, this one is $100. And it's rechargeable, comes with the charging thing and all that. This one is battery operated. I don't know, I think I might take the battery operated one over the one that charges up. Also, you'll notice that this one only lasts 40 minutes on full charge. This one lasts an hour and a half on 8 AA batteries. So, and this one is half the price. This one's $59 compared to $99. So I think I'm about to go with this one. And I'm back. I'm back here, just right back at home with the Lectra FX pool vacuum cleaner. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see how it actually looks. Alright, so it's in a tall, slender box. Okay, easy to assemble, it's only like a couple pieces. Alright, there's a pole. And there's the little bottom part of the vacuum. I'm guessing I just snapped that right on there. Okay. Alright, test it like that. And there's my pole. And alright, this is the pool head, the vacuum cleaner head. Okay. Let me read my directions. So we got here. Is everything already in there? I guess so. Yeah, I guess I'll just plug it in and go. Alright, so of course this suction piece attaches to the end here. Alright, it does attach this way, right? Yeah. There we go. That's good. So all this is just warning stuff, no directions really. So let me get some batteries in here. Where do the batteries even go? Yep. Okay, this one twists. Okay, this feels like this is where the batteries go, but not quite sure. Okay, so this twists up, huh? It's gotta go in here. Yeah. Okay, yeah. There we go. Alright, so it needs 2, 4, 6, 8 AA batteries. This thing takes 8 AA batteries. And I called to confirm just to make sure that we had 8 AA batteries. Shay let me know that we did. So, all good to go there. That's a lot of batteries. Oh, snap, okay. Alright, so yeah, you just turn it on and hit the power button and it starts going. Alright. Alright, so easy assembly, easy way to set it up. So yeah, let's go. Now that I got my batteries in there, it turns on, let's go put it to use. Alright, so yeah, that's the stuff I'm trying to get up off the bottom. So that's the purpose of me, that's the reason why I got this vacuum cleaner. So let's get in here and let's put it to use. Can't really tell if it's sucking or not, or if it's just moving stuff around. But I guess I'll run it and we'll see if it's working or not. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm actually using this right. I really can't tell the difference. And also, hold on, let me see if my phone is set right here. Also, when I open it up and try to look into the filter, like there's nothing in there. See, that's the filter. So I did see when I was looking at which vacuum I was gonna get, I did see a lady's video. Basically it was a hack, because basically if the stuff in the pool is too fine, too small, that net thing isn't gonna like really catch everything. So she said put a sock in there. So I think I'm about to put a sock in there and try it. Also, I'm not sure if the pool is supposed to be full or have more water, because you know this part is sucking. I noticed there's something right here. I don't know if that's for like air or for that to like shoot water back out, or I don't know what that is. So I'm about to, I guess, do a little bit more research about it and yeah, figure this thing out.